Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam and you are watching Food and Travel with Mariam. Welcome to the Abu Dhabi's new adventurous island. Today you will discover a dreamlike place with me where stars meet the sea and sand in Abu Dhabi. That is Hudairiyat Island. Having a beautiful beach, the island is a breathtaking new luxury camping destination unlike any other in the city. The best time to visit here is definitely an evening time so you can see a beautiful sunset. Allah has filled this world so much mesmerizing natural beauty and this is one of the best of them. To reach there, you have to drive through a flyover over marine and that view is too beautiful. So it took us 45 minutes drive to reach here from home to Hudairiyat beach. But this worth it because the place is beautifully constructed and not much crowded. Amazing to visit with family and friends. There are many options for eating and drink. As you can see around, there are many food courts and restaurants. And the best thing is these restaurants are from different countries so you can have so many flavors at one place. Here you also have an option of boating for solo or in a group. For the boat of 4 people, they charge 75 AD but it sails by itself. And for 2 people, they charge 105 AD but that is automatic. So you don't need to pay hard work, you just have to pay the money. So if you want a beach day to chill or relax, this is the place to come. Lovely area and with so much around. Beautiful scenery and perfect for family, friends and for gatherings. Very nice and clean beach with a huge area for walk or run. This is the way for walk that actually built on water to give it more mesmerizing look. Around is the water. Just imagine you are walking on a track where you're all sight. Left, right, front, everywhere is the water. My God, breathtaking view. So you can come over here and have a romantic long walk with your loved one. This is the best place for couples, seriously. I wish I can come over here daily because I am a real seaholic person. The one who really fond of sea. But my bad luck, this place is too far from my home. For me, Cornish is the nearest sea to my home. It's just on a walking distance as I live in Khalidia and it's next to Cornish. I usually go there in evening with my cup of tea. I have made several videos on Cornish. You can watch in my previous videos on my channel. Abu Dhabi is such a beautiful city with so many fantastic beaches. And Hudairiyat is such a natural heaven on earth. I can see jumping fishes from here in the water. I don't know my camera will catch it or not. It's too far away. The sun has already been set and so many people are here with families, friends and kids. गहरा पानी है ना बहुत. These are food food courts that are full of lights at night. And there is a slow theme music played everywhere that is giving it a fairy tale look. This beach is having courts for football, basketball and volleyball in addition to cycling tracks. One of my favorite open beach in UAE. It's very clean, beautifully constructed. This is the separate water park theme area for kids. Kids are playing, enjoying and having lots of fun. So it means if you are having fare to take kids towards sea, you can leave them here for enjoying and entertaining. Some people may be thinking what's the cost of all these entertaining stuff. So this 600-meter long beach is totally free for the public. This is the separate swimming pool for elders. So if you got bored from sea bathing, you can come swim and enjoy in this big and clean swimming pool. This swimming pool is also built near to the beach. There is a huge kids play area where kids can have so much fun. This is again walking track with beautiful lights and so much around. Swimming is allowed here only at daytime, but you can do boating at night time also. Separate washrooms are built outside and these have also showers too. I saw the car showroom also here. This is the best clip I captured during my whole visit to Hudairiyat. It's actually a sitting benches area where all around, all sides is water. So it was a full moon night and all the scene was so charming. Lovey-dovey and just like a dream. कहाँ दो दिलों ने न मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा. So it was just a little try of my singing. I know I can't sing and it was too bad, but just for fun. So this is the way back to home. I hope you enjoyed this trip too. In last, I am adding few pictures that I captured at Hudairiyat beach. So here we are going to end today's vlog. If you like this natural heaven on earth, do comment and like the video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe so we can meet again. These are the food trucks that are also on Hudairiyat beach. Let's this journey end here. Take care of yourself. This is Mariam. Allah Hafiz.